Hey guys, it's Dave Pangione and we are wrapping up this major home remodeling project. We're on location. I'm going to show you the outside of the house. We're going to show you a couple before pictures. This was the ranch add level and we completely remodeled the entire home. Only the existing basement, partial basement was existing, and everything else is brand new. So let me show you around. All right, take a look at this house here. Look how beautiful it came out. This was a ranch conversion. In the beginning, we added this garage. The garage we bumped out 8 feet. We added on the front lemonade porch. The entire top floor is all brand new. Of course, the windows, the entire first floor is brand new. We stripped it down to the studs. In the back of the house, we squared off behind the garage. And look how nice this came out. Beautiful. Let's go inside. All right guys, so take a look at the front porch here. We have a lemonade front porch all the way across the front. Just had the door painted. We have the decorative stone, fiberglass columns. This place is looking amazing. Look at all the detail, the breaks, the peaks. A lot of detail from the street, a lot of curb appeal. Let's go inside. All right, so we had last time you were here, we had the floors being finished, and look at this beautiful entryway. This is the old ranch. We raised the roof, went up with a whole new floor, and look at this beautiful entry. We have the 18-foot ceiling, and look at that, you walk in the front door, and immediately it opens up to a beautiful foyer. We have the iron railing, the spindles going up with the baskets, and we have the stained posts with handrails. Look how nice this came out. This is also a 3-panel door system. We have the bronze doorknobs and hardware. Look how nice this place came out. Let's take a little look around. So over here we have an office. Right off the front, got an awning window. We have some beautiful sized windows here. These are all ply gem windows all throughout the house. The doors are a 3-panel, solid panel door. Let's go take a look through more of the house here. So you walk in, we have the linen closet right here. This opens up into the dining area. And look at that beautiful molding. All the windows. We have the custom molding, the wainscoting right around about 42 inches off the floor. And then of course we have crown molding, and look how nice that looks. Okay guys, so one of the main reasons why this family wanted to do this job is they needed more family space. They needed more living space. Their kitchen was small, their dining room was small, there was no family room. So let me show you the back portion of the first floor. So we're walking in the front here, we have the dining room, and then this opens up. Look at all this open space here. Brand new kitchen on the right, door going out to the backyard, and then all this is family room, sitting area, a custom fireplace, crown moldings. Look at this beautiful fireplace. Watch this, we hit the switch. Look at that, the fireplace kicks on just like that. Turn around and look at that kitchen. Isn't that beautiful? We have the shaker panel doors. We have a brick style on the backsplash. We have a picture frame going over the oven. The hood. Beautiful quartz countertops. The island has the microwave built in. You saw that on previous jobs. We have the wine cooler. And look at all this space here. I mean, they got the lights, sit-down islands. I mean, this place is really, they're gonna have a lot of fun in this kitchen. You got your farm sink there, and also have the dishwasher. All right, guys, so what do you think so far? Pretty amazing, huh? So let's go in the back here. We also have a half bath. We have a side foyer, mudroom, and a garage. So let's finish off the first floor. Okay, we're walking through the kitchen here, and we have a beautiful little half bath. We got the marble floor, pedestal sink, and we installed all the mirrors. Everything's ready in this bathroom. We have the side foyer here, so just to get your bearings, you have the entry into the house here. You come in here. On this side, you got the garage straight ahead, and you have your side mud room, side door entry. You have a coat closet here, and this opens up to the garage where we just finished the floor with the epoxy floor. Look how nice that came out. Brand new garage door, carriage style, garage door opener. Let's go upstairs, we'll take a look at the rest of the house. So guys, it's looking pretty amazing so far. We just went through the first floor. Now we're gonna go upstairs to the second floor, and we have 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a laundry up there. Let's go up the stairs and check this hallway out. Get up to the top of the stairs here, and look at the beautiful trim work. This is a 7-piece trim setup for each door, each window. We have the crown moldings. Well, let's take a look at this closer. All right, guys, so this again is 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a laundry, and a full attic upstairs. Let me show you around. Okay, so each door has a 1x4 with a banding, and that's a 90-degree corner, and that corner goes over the 1x4, have it on both sides. When we get to the top, we have a lattice strip. This is custom made, custom cut. We put the lattice on top of the legs, the left and the right leg. Once that lattice is in position, we put another 1x4 atop that. And then from there up, we put a solid crown that wraps around that upper head. That is the way every single door, every single window in this house has been set up and installed. Guys, isn't that beautiful? It's a lot of trim work. It's a lot of detail, each door, each window, but it really brings the house together, gives it a lot of detail, a lot of character, and it really makes it stand out. All right, so we get up here and we have our first bedroom. Great sized bedroom. I mean, look at this. Look how nice this looks. You have these shaker doors here also, and you have a second bedroom right across the hall. Bedroom number 2. Right. Another great sized bedroom. We have the outswing doors here. So let's go into the bathroom over here. We have the hallway bathroom. All right, so it's a nice little bathroom here for the hallway. The homeowner had ordered this vanity, I believe from Wayfair, came with the mirror, and really brings this bathroom together. So you have the shower door, which was included in our package. Beautiful subway tile. You also have the bronze faucets, bronze hardware, and the Kohler toilet. This really came together nicely. Let's continue down the hall. We have another linen closet right in here, great size. Over here we have the laundry. So we have a sink. We have a sink for this is the pan for the washing machine, and then the dryer is going to go right over here. Behind here we have our sub panel, and we also have a pull down stairs for access into the attic. All right, let's take a look. And over here, we have the third bedroom. Full-size windows. Again, beautiful closet doors. All right, so let's take a look in the bigger bedrooms. We have the double 3-foot door, and we'll open this up so you can see we have the shelving. We have a double rod here. We have plenty of space down below. And this is all set up for the homeowner. When they come in, when they move into the house, just hang your clothes up and you're all set. Guys, you want to take a look at a master bedroom. This one is beautiful. It has a great size walk-in closet. It's got the full-size bedroom and a beautiful master bathroom suite. Let's take a look. All right, here we are. So this goes into the master bedroom suite. This is the entry. Right here is the master closet. Look at the size of that closet. It's got a beautiful octagon window. So it's a great size closet, about 8 by 8. Okay. And over here, this opens up into the master bedroom. And look at that ceiling. We have the double row of crown molding going around the top. That's actually 10 foot in the center and 8 foot around the perimeter. And then over here we have a barn door that gives us access over to the master bath. All right, let's take a look at the barn door. So we just take the handle. The homeowner wanted it to open up in this direction. And it opens up. We have his and her sinks, the vanities, mirrors, and between the two is the door into the private toilet area. So you have your toilet over here, and then you have your another linen closet. And then over in this area over here, we have the master shower. So that opens up. And over here we have a private area for the shower door. And then we have the brick style tile and the picture frame design with our standard setup for the shower head, custom floor. And isn't this shower door great? Wall-to-wall glass, beautiful size door. I mean, that looks wonderful. Hey guys, if you haven't done so already, click on the subscribe button, click the like button. We'd really appreciate it. And you'll see a lot of great content, all original, all filmed on location in New Jersey.